May not be the best for some patients, plus a possible alternative for women battling low-risk breast cancer. Kenneth Craig has some of the day's top medical stories.
A new study shows partial radiation compared to whole breast radiation has similar long-term survival rates for low-risk breast cancer patients. Researchers at The Ohio State University studied more than 4,200 women with stage 0, 1, and 2 breast cancer. Researchers performed partial radiation on the small area where the tumor was removed for 5 days instead of the traditional 4 to 6 weeks. They say the treatment produced similar recurrence rates. 1 in 7 babies worldwide were born weighing under 5.5 pounds in 2015. That's according to a new study from the World Health Organization. Almost 3/4 of the low-weight babies were born in Southern Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa. Researchers say immediate action is needed to tackle underlying causes and provide care for babies. And a new study recommends that frail, older patients who are diagnosed with advanced cancers like stomach and esophagus should receive less chemotherapy. British researchers say the approach is an effective way to control the disease and will lead to fewer side effects. That's a look at some of the day's top medical headlines. Kenneth Craig, CBS News, New York.